Welcome to AquaRevival, the pinnacle of aquatic filtration. Here at AquaRevival, we have many innovative and industry-leading technologies. Some include many patent-pending innovations. Our regenerative media line boasts the smallest footprint in the industry, while also carrying the largest filtration range. Convenient features like built-in Vanstone flanges for quick and reliable piping fit-up. Installed custom electrical and pneumatic controls. Interface with popular sensor and Danfoss drives. 4 clear sight glasses for optimal user vision of filtration, and an intrinsically safe revival mechanism for both user and installer. Now, let's take a look at one great controller feature. From across the pump room, if the screen color is blue, the perlite is at full health. If the screen color is yellow, it is partially loaded. If the screen color is orange, it is mostly loaded. If the screen color is red, after revival of the media, it's time to make a media change. Speaking of this revival process, let's take a look at what goes on inside of the filter. As you can see, we started off with nicely coated tubes, and as it revives, you can see the perlite shake off and suspend in the water, all the way down to 1 micron. Notice the intrinsically safe revival mechanism. No moving parts to injure anyone. Let us now take a look at what happens after revival. First, we are going to show how our actuated valve will open and media will be flushed through our pre-coat loop as it starts its time process back to filtering to the pool. As you can see here, the water started to clear up a little bit. We're about halfway through our pre-coat process, and the water's going to clear up even more, so let's check back here in a sec. Okay, so we're just finishing up the pre-coat process here. We're going to pan up and show the effluent valve open pneumatically and the revival valve close pneumatically. Okay, so that officially ends the pre-coat process. As you can see, our tubes are coated, our water is clear, we have a solid head, and we're now filtering to the pool. Okay, so the filter's been running for about an hour now. We want to show just how clear this water is. So we're going to do a turbidity test. So as you can see, we press calibrate here. It takes a little bit, so we're going to skip to it. But we ended up with 0.10 NTU, which is just drinking water quality standard. It shows just how clear this water can be. The filter's now been running for a while. We're at about 210 GPM. As you can see, crystal clear water. This is what you can expect at your pool, water park, aquarium, or otherwise feature body of water. Smallest footprint, best engineering, a dedicated and thorough workforce, safe, long-lasting products. AquaRevival, the pinnacle of aquatic filtration, made in the US of A.